Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Yesterday we talked about reciprocal of a whole number. So today po, ang pag-aaralan ko naman po ay reciprocal of a fraction. Okay, reciprocal of a fraction. Example. So 2/3 is example of a fraction. Pag sinabi po natin reciprocal, pagbabalik lang po natin ang 2/3. So 2/3 become, ayan, 3/2. So yung reciprocal po ng 2/3 is 3/2 or 3/2. Another example of reciprocal is 4/7. So 4/7 is a fraction. Palitan po natin ng reciprocal, magiging 7/4. Okay, yung pong reciprocal ng 4/7 equal to 7/4. Pinagbabaliktad lang po natin. So yan po yung example ng reciprocal of a fraction. So magbibigay po ako ng dalawang given. So challenge po sa atin, pwede pong sagutan kahit po dyan sa inyong bahay. Example, 1/5 and 6/8. Okay, so yan po ang given ko sa inyo. 1/5 over 6/8. 1/5 and 6/8 po. Okay? Good luck guys. Thank you po for watching. Bye bye to everyone. Salamat po. Bye bye.